I see it. Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha, and yesterday, after I picked up all my Christmas gifts, I noticed that there was another one under my Christmas tree. And it's from my friends at Theme Park Vets. Thank you so much. We did another gift exchange with more Disney YouTube friends, and today I'm going to be opening it up and seeing what I got from them. I will link their channel down below. Check them out. They do a lot of different things. They post recipes. They go to the theme parks a lot. They've done some board game tutorials. Really fun channel. Please go check them out. While you're down there, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I have also my social media links down there as well. So let's get unboxing. It looks like on the box here that they noted that I also won their Halloween giveaway. I have to be honest, I don't remember what the gift was, so I'm excited to surprise myself and see what that is inside. So I have Christmas and Halloween, two of my favorite things. Okay. These are so cute. These are Disney princess ears. Oh my gosh, they look handmade. Oh. Okay, we have to try them on. Oh, I can't wait to wear these to the parks. Oh my god, they are so cute. These would be perfect for Akershoe or for Cinderella's Royal Table. I love them. And I love that there are two different princesses on each side. So there's Rapunzel and Jasmine. And then we have Aurora and Belle. These are so cute. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, I got a troll Funko. Oh, is he cute? Oh my god, he has real hair. I've never seen that before. That's so cute. Look at him. Oh, and your belly. Thank you so much. Okay, what else? Oh, okay. I didn't know what this was. It says Banshee Flight. It's a candle that smells like Flights of Passage. It smells just like Flights of Passage. Here, let's pretend we have smell-o-vision. Smells good. I love this. Thank you so much. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Little box here. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's like a princess charm bracelet. This is very cute. There's all sorts of different things on here. We got a little lips for kissy kiss, and a shoe, and a corset, and there's keys, and a swimsuit top, and a little castle, and a clock, a motorcycle, and Saturn. Very cool bracelet, thank you. And then, well, I see Haunted Mansion, so I'm automatically into it. They're little fridge magnets! Oh, my favorite boys! favorite fish princess. Thank you so much. And then we'll see what this is. I see it. I really wanted this. Oh no. It's It's the Ariel and Ursula ornament, and it sings. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, it's gotta go on my tree. We have to do that right now. I know that you're not supposed to put the big ornaments on the top of the tree, but also the star goes on top of the tree, so I feel like, yep. We're gonna do that. And Mary Poppins is gonna have to take, I'm sorry, Mary. We're gonna have to take her down a peg right there. Oh, she's beautiful. Let's move that. Well, everything in this box was amazing. Thank you so much to Theme Park Vets for this amazing Christmas gift, and I'm so glad that I won your Halloween giveaway. I am so excited. I love these ears so much. Thank you again. So I need to correct myself because the bracelet is a Rocky Horror Picture Show bracelet. That's what there was a note inside and I didn't read it. So it's a Rocky Horror Picture Show bracelet, which like totally makes sense. So, yep, there's all Frankenfurter's clothing, and that's Eddie's motorcycle, and then to go to outer space. Yeah, I love it. I felt very stupid for a second. I was like, oh gosh, what's on this bracelet? I love it so much. I love Rocky Horror. That is an amazing gift. Also, she made these magnets. Oops. She made these magnets, made the candle, made the ears. Are you joking me? This is an amazing gift box. Thank you so much. I am so happy that you were my secret Santa. This was such a good box to open. Thank you so much again. And thank you to all you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Theme Park Vets. Links down below. Thank you again. Have a magical day and happy holidays, everybody.